Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So according to Microsoft, the #1 productivity app on Windows 11 is Microsoft Copilot, which it calls your AI assistant. And I don't think that comes as a surprise, specifically with Microsoft's history of trying to push Copilot and AI into every corner of its products and services. Now, Microsoft describes Copilot as an assistant that helps you think, plan tasks, manage workflows, and analyze information directly from your desktop. And if we head over to the actual post, here we can see regarding best productivity apps in Windows for getting more done. In Microsoft's official list of top productivity apps for Windows 11, Copilot appears at #1 at the very top, which I think is going to be a little bit debatable in certain circles. But as mentioned, that's according to Microsoft. And then the full lineup, if we just go through this quickly, includes #2, Microsoft To Do, Windows Calendar, OneNote, Snipping Tool and Screen Recorder, Clock App and Focus Sessions, Microsoft Sticky Notes, Windows File Explorer, productivity features in Microsoft Edge. So that's the full lineup according to Microsoft, with Copilot ranking in and coming in at #1. Now, by placing Copilot above the so-called normal or traditional tools like File Explorer and OneNote, I think Microsoft is indicating, and I think it's safe to assume, that Microsoft is trying to centralize AI and indicate how central AI has become to its Windows vision. And this is in contrast to what I posted on a couple of weeks ago, where I said that Microsoft may finally be removing AI clutter from Windows 11. And as I mentioned in the video, which will be linked if you'd like more information, this was according to people familiar with Microsoft's plans, where it is now reevaluating its AI strategy on Windows 11 and plans changes to streamline or even remove certain AI features where they don't make sense. But I think that more pertains to having AI pushed into every nook and cranny. I don't think Microsoft will ever get rid of the Copilot app. And the good news is, with Copilot, the app itself, you can uninstall it, as I've mentioned previously. But nonetheless, and Microsoft making Copilot its #1 productivity app, I think, is in stark contrast to where I think a lot of users of Windows 11 would want Microsoft to take the OS. And I do feel that Copilot at #1 is a little bit detached, I think, from reality. And there's even a good chance that this list itself was put together using Copilot. Wouldn't come as a surprise. But let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think that Microsoft Copilot, your AI assistant, should be or is the #1 productivity app on Windows 11? I'd be interested to hear your thoughts. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.